Oxi-Digger wooden rigger by Oxidean Marine. You can buy this rigger fully assembled, ready to run right here in the United States of America. They come already finished and sealed with resin. 2000 kV motor, 4074 4-pole. Oxidean Marine by Seaking, 180 amp ESC. Digital CNC chromoly gear servo. Rad steering linkage with a CNC aluminum servo horn. All CNC aluminum hardware. Check out our water pickups. Trick. CNC prop, bullet prop nut, all come stock. Billet water outlets with CNC machined collars. Right out of the box, this boat will do at least 93 miles an hour on the stock prop on 6S. It also comes in a kit version that you can build yourself. Makes for one totally awesome boat that is ready to race. You can drop in a spec motor and race, or as is, this can run P hydro.